Hey everybody, Mr. Odom here, and for section 9.1, surface area of prisms, I'm going to give you some hints on how to solve these problems. So here's number 7, and what do we need to do? We need to find the surface area. So the formula for the surface area, remember, surface area equals 2 times the length times the width plus 2 times the length times the height plus 2 times the height times the width. All right. And also remember, I said it's a good idea to label these measurements. So I'm going to call this one 6 millimeters. That's going to be my length. The width will be 16 meters. And the height, we'll call that 3 meters. So then all you have to do is put these formulas into, we get another color, into the formula. All right, so you take the height, wherever I see the height, I plug it in. There's a couple places. There's one place in that part, one place there. The width, where do I see the width? I see the width here in this part of the formula, and I see the width here in this part of the formula. What about the length? Where do I see the length? Well, I see the length here, and I see the length here. Right, so you plug everything into that formula, and then you should be able to get the answer. Remember, the area, it will be squared. The surface area will always be squared. Okay, let's look at problem number 11. So for this problem, we said the surface area equals the area of the bases plus the area of the lateral faces. Okay, so we need to calculate the area of the bases and the area of the lateral faces. For the area of the bases, I see here that I have a triangular prism. So you have to find the area of the triangular bases. The formula for the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. And remember, when I find this area, I need to multiply by 2 because there are 2 triangles. There's one in the front and there's one in the back. So calculate the area, and then remember the area of the bases equals 2 times the area of one of those triangles. Now, to find the area of the lateral faces, there are always going to be 3 rectangles. There's 1, there's 2, and here's 3. And we have to find the dimensions of these rectangles. So we'll start with the one on the bottom. What are the dimensions? 7 meters by 6 meters. And then for the face, let's see, the one that's leaning this way would be 5 meters by 7 meters. And then the rectangle that's in the back here, that one would be 5 meters by 7 meters. So I have to find the area of these, add them all together, add these areas together, and that gives you the area of the lateral faces. I plug that in here. I find the area of the bases. I plug that in here, add them together, and you will get the area of this triangular prism. So there's a quick video for you. Gave you some hints, showed you the process. Hopefully that's helpful. It's Mr. Odom. I'm out.